We always feel worried after parking the bike. Are you confused about motorcycle security? We have found the right solution for you. This is the gateway of world's best security system. Presenting, NEXA ELITE, is the most premium and world's most sophisticated security shield. Combined with GPS tracker and LED remote vibration sensor, PKE. Features: world's strongest GPS, GSM, LBS, two-way remote plus alarm and backup battery system, 100% anti-jammer security sensor. This is not just a GPS tracker, but also fully automatic sensor, functional locking system. World's best, live, GPS tracker, 0% battery consumption plus APL technology. You can lock and unlock vehicle engine from anywhere in the world, even if you are out of internet connection. Vehicle cannot be started with the original key, shoulder broken, bypass, or even disconnected the battery line or device. Even if you remove NEXA ELITE from your vehicle, still cannot be started. When you come near the vehicle, it will sense the real owner and unlock itself. This is a magical option of NEXA ELITE. If you want automatic start, the ignition will turn on by itself and you can ride the vehicle. When you left the vehicle behind and forgot, you can lock engine from anywhere. You can turn on the vehicle hazard lights from remote control, while stationary, even while running. You can see all kinds of motorcycle information on a remote LED display with animation. While in prayer room or meeting, you can silent the remote. If somebody touch or shake your vehicle, you get vibration on remote and also get call on your mobile. You can operate NEXA ELITE system, online and also offline. After turn off the key, the motorbike engine will lock automatically. If someone touch your bike, then 125 dB siren will alarm and you get remote vibration in 1 second, and automatic call into your mobile phone in 10 seconds. Bike cannot be started anyway. If someone cut the battery line or disconnect NEXA ELITE from your vehicle, still cannot be started and you get notifications instantly. There are more than 80 exciting features on NEXA ELITE. Please check the demo before buy.